Okay, it's Thursday the 19th. We're going to look ahead, but today we have some warm temperatures, especially in the eastern part of the state where temperatures get into the 80s, and even Delaware, New Jersey, mostly 80s, except right along the shore in your upper 70s to around 80. And we all know because of the breezes. As we move this into Friday, you can see it's a little chilly tonight, but it's window weather. Here's your morning lows, 50s to around low 60s in southeastern PA, Jersey, and Delaware. But most of the areas are in the middle to upper 50s as we go on. As we get into the day on Friday, you'll notice it's not as warm. Okay, let's move this ahead. Um, you can see a couple degrees cooler eastern PA. Now you're in the low 80s. Jersey, Delaware, you're mostly in the upper 70s. Warm air has moved into western PA ahead of a front that's going to come through. So their temperatures climb into the low 80s also out there. You'll see some precipitation move into western PA. And I'll show you that. This is your simulated radar. This is Friday night into Saturday. Again, warm air came up in front of this front, and the showers and thunderstorms start to move in late at night. This is around 6 o'clock in the morning, and you can see there's some up by Erie. There's some moving towards Pittsburgh at this hour. They kind of hold together and even expand a little bit. This is around 11 o'clock in the morning. Here's noontime. There's 1. There's 2, and you're going to say, wow, these are going to go all the way east. Unfortunately, you'll see it kind of falls apart. This is around 5 o'clock, and you can see that it turns into a couple showers and sprinkles as it moves east. And it kind of refires a little during the nighttime hours. This is around 8 o'clock in the evening on Saturday night, and you can see a little bit out here south of State College, but overall that doesn't hold together very good. So as that front kind of withers away, there's a low pressure system off the coast, and you're going to kind of get what looks like a backdoor cold front. This is Sunday morning around 7 o'clock, and you can see the 40s up here. If I move this back just a little bit, you can see how the cold air, here's the cold air coming in. It gets in here, this is around 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's still in the 50s. Look at it, there's a clash. Here's your upper 80s out here in Ohio, sneaking into western PA, and you got your 50s in the center of the state. Big clash in temperatures, and the cold air at night into this takes you into Monday morning. Um, you can see if you look middle 40s up here. Pocono's quite chilly, and even out by Pittsburgh, temperatures stay around 60, which isn't all that bad. At the shore, Sunday night or Monday morning, I should say, temperatures again, you got to understand during the day it keeps it cool, at night it keeps it warmer. So here's a perfect example of the warm air along the coast at night and the cooler air in the 50s during the nighttime hours to the west. And then as we get during the day, the direction, you can see that the direction of it is coming from southwest to northeast. The cold air is trying to hang in there. It's kind of trapped in there. This is Monday afternoon. You can still see the 50s. It's pretty chilly. Just in time for the Bloomsburg Fair. So dress up, and everybody else is in the 60s around it. And then as we get into Tuesday, if you're going to the fair on Tuesday, uh, that cold air that's backed into here is still there. And temperatures Tuesday, 50s again for a lot of areas, especially up by the fair, 60s elsewhere. Precipitation at this point in time. Um, let's see if we can bring it up. You can see there's some showers, and I'll back this up into Monday. Here's Sunday as that front tries to come through, but then here's Monday morning around 7 o'clock, and there's a couple showers going on crossing the state. On Tuesday, this is what you have. So you got clouds and some showers again. Not enough, I think, to stop you from going there, but Tuesday might be the day late in the afternoon that you probably don't want to be at the fairgrounds. And then when this moves into Wednesday, there's still some showers around. So unfortunately, next week's a rainy week. Here is Thursday morning, and you can see a more defined amount of rain coming down here and a little bit of heavier. So again, just like the fair always happens, it always ends up raining. And here's Thursday around 10 o'clock in the morning. Here's Thursday evening, and it's just hanging around up here. It's not really going away, and here goes into Friday morning. This is around 10 Friday morning. Still got those showers and stuff going on. So tough week. Go Monday and enjoy. Get the fair in if you're trying to stay dry. And I think next Saturday might be a better day. Overall, the total amount of precipitation next week, not bad. We need it. Most areas see an inch or more. Some areas where that rain hangs on up here, it all depends. There's low pressure system developing, and it's off the coast, and it could back up into it, and that's why the models are showing a lot of rain up in this way. So, we can use 3, 4, 5 inches of rain. The ground is so dry, it'll suck it up like a sponge. So let's just hope this happens. And again, the other day, it looked like we were going to get heavy rain next week, and here we are on Thursday, the 19th, and we're still talking about heavy rain next week during the week. So the Bloomsburg Fair is going to suffer. Um, if you're going, I'd say go Monday, and enjoy it on Monday, and next Saturday. But in between, you're going to have to dodge some raindrops over next week. All right, this is Fred. Take it easy. Be safe.